21, 24, 27, 30.
How about sa 4?
4, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Very good. How about sa 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
How about sa 6?
6, 12, 18, 24, 35,
30.
30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 36, 42,
Oh, 42.
42, 49,
42. 42?
42,
48?
40.
Sa 6 pa lang tayo, not 7.
Wait, I'll do quarter.
Go. Hati ha, ikipang. Sige na, sa 6 na, go.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 36, 42, 48, 48, 54, 54,
54?
54, 60.
Isa pa, because you're not confident with 54, you already know it's 54, nagtingin ka pa sa akin.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 48, 54, 60.
7.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 53,
56.
56, 63, 70.
Isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 49, 49, 50, 49, 58.
6.
Huh?
56. 49, 56.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
How about 8?
8, 12, 8, 16, 24, 35, 40.
Ang 35? Walang 35.
8, 16, 24, 30, 30.
Di ba ang pattern sa 8 kay 8, 6, 4, 2, 0? Walang 35. Walang 30. Isa pa.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 56, 74.
64.
64, 72.
Isa pa.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 62.
4.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 40, 48, 48, 56, 56, 56, 64, 72, 80.
9.
9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 36, 40, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
How about 10?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. 100.
100. Okay. Sige, review lang muna tayo. A little bit. Start from the top. Very good. That's our kahapon na lesson. Different denominator. You forgot to process the butterfly.
Ayaw.
Ginaliman ba yung teacher?
63.
Very good. Put na. Next.
45.
Next. Nice. Very good. Nice writing ka ngayong araw.
7 times 8. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. 49, 49, 54, 56. 56. 101.
101, correct. 163, that is our answer in there.
Our answer?
Not, because it's improper. If it is improper, you have to make it into a mixed number.
63.
Baliktad. 101,
Divided by 63.
you do the trial and error. Make sure na it's not lampas to 101, ha?
Let's try and error it again.
Diba you have the choices 0 to 9. You can test only 63, but it should not go beyond 101. Excuse me. So take a guess. Take a guess. I-try mo lang si 63, ha? Oh, is to our answer hindi. Because lampas siya ng 101. It's 1. Very good. So it's 1. 1 times 63. Si 6 straight sa 0, ha? Si 3 straight sa kay 1.
Okay.
This one all in here. Diba you have 101? If you do this one, 0 minus 3.
3.
Cannot be.
Ay.
Because the bottom number is big. Si 0 will borrow to 1. It will become 0. This one, it will become 10. Sino magbaro? Kanino magbaro si 0? Wala. You cannot do that one. So, ibig sabihin, 101, you do this one. So, that si 0, meron pa siyang baruhan. Sige. Dito ka na lang mag-solve. Kaya hindi mo na dyan makita.
I can see.
May you can see, sure ha? 1 minus 3. That will become 10. 1 minus 3, pwede hindi. Not. So, kanina magbaro si 1, tsaka 10.
Oh.
10 will become?
1, 0.
10 will become 9.
Ayaw.
Tapos si 1 magiging? 11?
Why?
This one, For example example lang ito. 1,000 minus 26. 0 minus 6, pwede hindi. So si 0, magbaro siya kay 0. Pero since this is 0 man, 0 cannot give to 0. So si 0 will ask for 0. The question, si 0 can give to 0? Hindi. No. So si 0 will ask sa kay 1. 1 will become 0. This time, magiging 10. Pero, 10 remembered ko yan na si 0, nagbaro man sa kanya. So si 10 will become?
0. 9.
9. If this one, magiging 10. Pero, 10 remembered ko yan na si 0, nagbaro man siya. It will become?
9.
This one, magiging 10. You've understand it? Isa pa ha?
I understand.
100 minus 8. 0 minus 8, pwede hindi. So si 0, magbaro to 0. Since 0 man ito kuya, 0 cannot give to 0. So si 0 will ask to 1. This one will become 0. This one will become 10. Pero, since nagbaro man si 0 kuya, si 10 will become 9. This one will become 10. Apply it to that one.
3 divided by 9.
Ano divided by 9? Minus?
3 minus 9.
Mali na naman, This one, kuya. This one look at this one. 1 minus 3, pwede hindi. So si 1, magbaro ko sa 0. Si 0 can give to 1, hindi. No. So si 0 will borrow to 1. 1 will become 0. Si 0 will become 10 supposedly. Pero, but as what you have remembered, 1 borrowed to 0. So this one will become 9. This one will become 11. 11 minus 3. Anong 9 minus 3 ka dyan? 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, how much? Dito ka lagi tingin, kahit same naman yan. 11 minus 3. Make it into mixed number na. Very good. We cannot simplify this one anymore. Proceed with this one.
After this, tapos na.
Hindi. Because you didn't memorize the subtraction.
I memorize one.
13 minus 4. Very good. Next. Huh? Pag sure, 10 and 9, they are the same na denominator, hindi. Why do 10 minus 9?
10 minus 9.
You cannot do it lagi because not the same ang denominator. You do the butterfly. Nako. 10 times 9 muna.
1.
10 times 9, 1.
Times 90.
90. Next.
83. Ay, 82.
Ayos, wag 82.
Ay, 72.
Hindi 72. You calculate it good.
90.
Ano 90?
81.
81. Put 81. Minus. Plus. Minus. Next. 81 minus 60. Can we reduce that one? Hindi. We can. By? Bakit times lagi ginagamit mo? Divide. Ma'am, nakikita ko niya na video nila yung makatawalid ko niya, ma'am. Giingnan ako siya. Ito lang muna ako sa technique. Pag mag-solve mo siya sa fraction, for example, 8 minus 4. Pag dugay siya ba, iyang buhaton, di ba, gusto mo siya sa 8, ang iyang buhaton kay 7, 6, 5, 4. So, answer, 8 minus 4, 4. Ito ba na ako siya, giingnan ako, i-close na niya ba? Tingnan mo kay, 3 minus 2. Di ba, balik siya open. Tapos, ingon ako ate, pwede mo gudin mo na option kanino. Nakita sa video.
Narako siguro siya.
Mo tong ka to.
Ano kung batang galing kay siya na.
Oo, ma'am. Nangkamot siya. Pwede mo, nangkamot po pero dugi-dugi ra jud siya.
Ayaw, 110 ba?
Gani, ma'am.
They even how to spell 100.
Ang 5. Make sure na maganda ang 5.
Gani. Kasulatan na next time og 1 to 1,000 ha.
Gani. Okay, sabi si mami mo ha.
Letters.
Sige. So 21 and 90 you cannot do that one, but instead, you divide it by 3. Start ka with 21 muna. 21 sa loob. 3. How to read it to be? Sample.
21 divided by
Baliktad. Tama pala. 21 divided by 3. How much? Skip lang ka by 3. Para mabilis.
21.
3.
Yeah, 21.
You do the skip count of 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 20.
Ang 18 ka dyan.
3, 6, 9, 12, 16,
15?
15, 18, 20,
18, 21.
21.
Hindi pa memorize ang 3. How much?
21.
It's
6, 7.
7. Very good. 7 times 3.
I don't know.
You don't know.
7, 14, don't know.
21. So ibig sabihin, 21 is divisible by 3, which is the answer is 7. Next, 90 divided by 3. 90 divided by 3. Sige daw. How to read it? Sige daw. How to read?
20 divided by 3.
Hindi pwede. Di ba this is one digit number? You try muna 9. 9 divided by 3, how much?
9, 18,
Ang pwede mo i-skip count kay si 3 outside yung i-skip count mo.
3, 6, 9,
9 is mentioned. So, how much?
3,
3. I'll put 3. 3 times 3.
3, 6, 9.
Where do you put 9? 9 minus 9. Bring down. 0. 0 divided by 3.
3.
Ha?
Ay, 0.
0. Saan yung sulat sa 0? Next. 0 times 3.
3.
Ha?
Ay, 0.
0. So, final answer? 30. So, finalize your answer dito. Equals. What's at the top? 7. This one.
Yeah.
Go.
Pinintapos na.
Hindi pa. Make sure muna you memorize it. All of it. Times na tayo. Not plus at saka minus. What's at the bottom? It's 8. Uy, we are at times na, not plus minus. It's 8 times 8.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 54,
6,
56, 63,
4.
64, 72, 63, 74, 64.
5 and 64. Can we reduce it? Hindi. Hindi. Very good. Next.
May hour and quarter.
Sa bawat linggo, bukas ang pintuan. Anyayahan. Ha? Wait lang, B. 30 and 54. We can reduce this one, hindi. We can. By 6. Wala ka nag-try talaga. Ano ba? 30 divided by 6. Skip lang ka na by 6 para malaman mo kaagad.
3, 6,
Ha?
9,
By 6 lagi?
6, 12, 18, 20, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 48, 54,
Oh, so both 30 and 54 were mentioned.
54, 7, 8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30.
So 5, 9. Very good. Oh, this one. Nakalimutan mo na ang process nito, di ba?
Butterfly.
8 times 2 times. Kahit divide yan, naka-times. 8 times 2.
Ah,
Nakalimutan. 8 times 2.
16.
16. Next.
9. Ay, yeah, 9.
9. Oh, is that our final answer? Hindi.
Not
Why? Improper. Make it into a mixed number.
9, 16, 1, 9.
Bakit dyan malagay ilagay ang 9 sa 1?
Ha?
Bakit dyan malagay ilagay ang 9 under sa 1?
Bakit?
Tingnan mo, good kuya, oh. Minus. 9 minus 1. 1 minus 9. Pwede hindi. Hindi. Saan magbaro si 1? Wala man number dito. Bawal that 1 lagi. 16. You do that 1. Para si 6 makabaro siya kay 1. Sige. Minus. 16 minus 9. Bawal lagi.
16,
16 minus 9.
13. Ay, 13. 9.
Ha? Sure ka? Hindi na. It's not 8.
Fifteen, 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
7. Oh, make it into mixed number na. Next. Ito. Hindi ganit tayo plus minus. Oh, 12 times 3, 12. Show your solution in here para madali.
This will be good.
You can mental math 8. Sige daw, be.
24, 36.
Oh, 36. Very good. Next. 10 and 12.
120. Ay, 20.
120. 120 and 36. Is that our final answer? Hindi.
I want to say.
Hindi.
Yay.
Hindi. That's improper ba, kuya? Since that is improper, you have to make it into a mixed. Trial and error ka. Take a guess. Any number? From 0 to 9, ha?
12, 18. Wait. 6, 12, 18. 6, 9, 10.
Is that our answer?
Slower mo.
Oh. Bakit lang lagi ang 108? You put 3. 3. 3 times 36. This one, oh. Minus. So what's the final answer? 12 and 36. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
6, 12, 18. 6, 12, 18, 24, 36.
30, 36. Oh, so we can reduce it by?
6. 3, 6, 12. Keep. 12, 18. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36.
2 and 6. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
2, 4, 6.
Very good. Okay. Wala pa. Okay. Hmm. Uy, wait lang. Nagmamadali ka ba? You cannot do plus lagi because the denominator is not the same. So what are you going to do?
Times.
Times.
Sabi ko eh. 9, 18, 27.
27. Next. 9 times 2, 10. Oh, what's that? What is that, 15?
Yeah.
9 times 2, 15?
10.
It's not 10. It's not 15.
Huh? 9 times 2.
9 times 2.
5, 10.
9 times 2. Bakit 5, 10?
Huh?
Times ha, not
9
divide.
times 2. 18.
Oh, 18. Next.
15. 30.
Anong 32 ka dyan?
20. 1 plus 1, 20. 10, 2. 8 plus 5, 6.
Marunong.
5.
This one. Oh, you do this one, kuya. 18 plus 15. Do not start in here. You start at the right. 8 plus 5.
12. 13.
13.
5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 6.
Ha? 1 plus 1.
2.
Plus 1.
3.
3.
Ay.
Wala, saan ka nang galing? Oh, go. Put 33.
This is so easy.
Bakit dyan ka naglagay ng 33 lagi? On top, di ba yan? 18 plus 15? This one, oh, 33. Ang 27 in here. Oh, 33 and 27. Is that our final answer? Hindi. Hindi. You have to make it in comics pa. Go. Start, sulat.
Minus or divide?
Uy, what are we doing pala kapag mixed? Di ba we divide it? 33. How to read it? Basahin mo daw.
30, 30, 30.
Oh, 33 divided by 27. You do the trial and error. Uy, di ba nag-carry ka ng 1 dito?
Ay.
Oh, it will become 5, 54. Saan ang 1? 3 minus 7, pwede hindi.
Pwede.
Uy, 3 minus 7?
Yeah.
Cannot be.
6, 5, 4.
Cannot be lagi.
Bakit?
Because the number, kuya, at the bottom is bigger, kuya, than the top. You cannot do it. 3 minus 7, cannot be. Kumbaga pa, kuya ba, you have 7 pesos na utang to me, pero you only have 3 pesos. Ibig sabihin, you cannot bayad your utang to me because you only have 3. Oh, so anong gagawin ni 3?
Understand.
Will become 13. Oh, 13 minus 7, how much?
9, 8, 9. 6.
Very good. You put a line. Wala ka lagay line.
Asa?
2 minus 2, 0. Oh, so, make it into mixed number na. No, 6 and 27, can we reduce it? Hindi. We can.
Not.
We can.
6, 12, 18, 27, 27, 24,
Next.
27, 36, 30,
Oh, so we cannot buy 6. But we can buy? Think of any other number, not 6.
3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18,
Anong 18?
15, 19, 21, 24, 26,
7.
27.
Oh, so? Sige, simplify. Very good. This one. Okay na, that's your final answer na next.
Tapos na?
Wala pa?
After this, tapos na?
Oo. Pag once na galingan mo. Dapat wala na mali, ha?
Times 37.
Is that 37? Don't madali. You make it.
9,
Sure.
18, 27, 36.
Oh. Next.
4, 8,
Uy, not divide.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 34, 18, 36, 40.
Uy, basic na minus, hindi kaya. It's not 50.
51.
It's not 51.
Ay, minus.
What are you adding?
One, 0, 13, 31, 32, 31, 30, 36,
Matagalan ka niyan.
38. Harder.
Harder ka dyan. Two minus 8, how much?
6.
Kuya, we cannot minus ha if the bottom number is big. Anong gagawin nito? 2 minus 8 cannot be, so si 2 magbaro. Oh, it will become 12. 12 minus 8.
6,
12 minus 8, 6.
8,
12 minus 8, 8.
9,
Uy, you count it.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Wala, incorrect. 5.
It's not 5.
Oh, 5.
It's not 5.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Bakit nag-start ka kasi sa 12? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Ano to, 4?
Next.
2, 1, 1.
Oh, it's 14.
I'm so smart.
Smart ka doon. I'll put 14. 14 over 36. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
You cannot na.
We can.
No.
We can.
No.
14 and 36. By what number? Think of a number.
3, 6, 9, 12, 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14,
Hmm.
8, 14, 16, 28, 12, 20, 24, 20, 24, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 27, 18.
What's your final answer?
14, 18. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 18. This Lord.
14, di ba? Ito kaya divided by 2. 7. 7 all over 18. Next. Ito. Times na. Next.
Oh, it's times naman. 72.
Next. Can we reduce it? Hindi. Wala pa gani. Can we reduce it? Hindi. We can. We can. By?
9.
Not 9.
5.
Ay, by 9?
Yeah.
Tama. By 9. Tama kaya. By 9. Start.
5.
Divided by 9? 9? Oh, 8 over 10. Can we reduce it? Hindi. We can.
Not. 2, 4, 4, 8, 10.
Anong 4, 8, 10 ka dyan?
2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, very good. Next. Divide.
After this, after
Depende kung makuha mo siya. Dapat walang error, ha? Dapat there's no error tapos dapat ma-reduce siya.
24 divided by 4.
First pa lang kung mali na.
Oh,
That's division, di ba?
Yeah.
So you do this one, oh. Ay, kalimutan.
53.
Why you are doing division lagi? Di ba that's times? Ay, nako. O times.
Oh. 4, 8, 10. 12. 21. 6, 7, 6. 4 times 4 is 4. 4 times 0 is 4.
Any number multiplied to 0, 0
Zero.
lagi. Next.
80. Bawal. 72. 1. 2. Ay, bawal. Ito. Ha? 710. 8 times 7 is 1. 2. 12. Next number. 1. 72. 12. This Lord.
Okay. This one, oh.
This Lord.
I want you to find out the answer. 80 minus 72. Diyan ka nagkamali. It's not 12. It's not 12.
7 is not there. Then 2, 9, 8. Sorry, I'll just start another. It's 8, 9, 7, 10, 22. Ito next number.
80 minus 72, it's not 9.
Huh? 80?
80 minus 72, it's not 9.
80.
10 minus 2.
10 minus 2.
How much?
8, 10. 9, 8. It's 8 man.
8 and 72, can we reduce it? Hindi.
By 9. Ah, wait, wow. 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 88, 40, 48, 76. 76. Oh, 76. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 63, 64, 72, 80. Oh, 72. 1, 9.
That's the final answer. Okay, we will do muna subtraction kuya because you don't know how to do
I
subtraction, ha?
remember subtraction. I
Okay,
remember.
this one.
I remember.
27 minus 9. Sige daw, 27 minus 9. Last na yan. Pag once na makuha mo yan, tama ha, tama na borrow. Tama na borrow, we can end na. Tama na pag-process lang. I don't want counting ganyan. I want this one, oh. I want this one. You put it into ganyan.
Vowel.
Ah, very good ba?
I'm done.
Your first answer is the ano ha, final answer ha. Make sure if you say the word or the number, dapat tama siya kaagad. Kasi if not, I will add another one.
That was 9. Just start. 1, 8. Oh, wait. Move. 9. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Not 8. 1 minus 9, 8. What did I add?
What's your final answer?
It's not because I add lagi. Again, try. Oh. 17, 16, 15, 18, 12, 16, 14, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay. Ay, oh. 8. 8.
Final answer, 888.
Mm. Ah, I have na.
Solution, I want a solution ha.
You think?
Where's your solution?
I'm thinking.
Where's your solution? I want this one, oh. I want a solution just like this one. Tama, it's 18.
Hey.
This one, kuya, ang next natin na training will be minus ha, because you don't know how to do subtraction. Ano nangyari, you've got 18 because you do the mental math, which is, gusto ko diba solution?
No.
Hindi, you do the mental math. Okay. So for this one, kuya, this is the process. Oh, look at teacher ha. Okay. Tapos, make sure kuya, you're solving, it should be neat and clean. So that if someone will check your paper,
He will
they
see
can
this.
understand your solving. For example, if your classmate kuya will check your paper, he will be doing this one, oh, because
They
he cannot understand your handwriting, ah. So ibig sabihin, make sure that your solution is clean. So you put this one.
They understand man.
27 in here. Tama? Tapos, this one, you put 9 under 7. Okay, ha? Okay. Where's the button? The other button. So, 9, you put in here 9. You do the subtraction sign. 7 minus 9 cannot be because 9 is bigger than 7. So, 7 will ask help to 2. Si 2 will give a help,
One.
but only 1 lang. So, 2 minus 1, it will become 1. Do not put 1 in here.
Why?
Because magiging 217 yan.
Yeah.
But instead, you put 1 and you copy 7 on top. Do not put 1 in here ha. You make a new 7 and you put 1. 17 minus 9. Ibig sabihin, 17 minus 9, you do this one, diba this is 9? Up until 17, you do this one, oh. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's 8. Ulit ha. 17 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's 8.
Since
Since,
by 1 lagi.
since there is no number in here, automatically,
1.
you put 0. 1 minus 0, it's 1.
That's how I got my answer.
That's how I get my answer. You calculate it. Because nauna ang answer before you do the solution.
Right.
Okay. Ito kuya, pinaka last na yata ito. Easy lang ito. Okay ha, I want you to show your solution kuya.
I forfeit. I will raise my white flag.
Ano yung raise your white flag?
I forfeit.
33 minus 7.
I don't know. Eh, 7, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. No number here. 0, 2.
Very good. It's 26. That's how you do it ha. So kuya, this one oh, I have something to tell you. Actually, you understand some of the lesson. The problem lang is, you didn't memorize some of it. An example, the skip counting of 4. You always do 4, 8, 10. Di ba as I always said, there is no 10 in skip counting of 4. If it is 6 naman, you do 6, 12, 18, 24, 36. You skip 30, it should be 30 first and 36. Tapos, if it is 7 naman, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, you always say 54. It's not 54, it's 56. Tapos, if sa 8 naman, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, you always keep saying 63. It's not 63 because 63 sa 7, di ba siya? It's 64. So, ibig sabihin, you didn't memorize fully the multiplication table. You memorize it, pero not by heart. Because you always forgot. Or you always forget, kuya. If you memorize it by heart, ibig sabihin, no error ka na because you already memorized it. Oh, ibig sabihin, you constantly memorize it, ha?
That's what I'm doing when
That's what you're doing every day. Pero why
in the
always,
car also.
why always, forget lagi kapag mag-ano tayo. So, dapat, hindi mo makalimutan because that is helpful kapag mag-division na tayo. Okay? Tapos, this one, oh, you always forget also. 2 3 plus 5, 9. Di ba they are not the same, the denominator? You do 3 plus 9.
Yeah.
Hindi man yan sa 3 plus 9. Because, di ba magkaiba sila ng denominator? Since magkaiba sila ng denominator, you do the butterfly method.
Eh.
3 times 9. Next, this one, oh, nakalimutan mo din. Guys, ano yun? This one, sa multiplication. This is 8, this is 8. You copy 8. Multiplication na tayo, oh. Ibig sabihin, 5 times 1, 8 times 8. Hindi ito plus, hindi ito minus. Tapos dito naman sa division, you always makakalimutin ka din dito kuya. Kapag division, it's not division. It's division good, pero if you do the process, you do multiplication. 10 divided by 12, you put it at the top. 12 divided by 3, or 12 times 3, you put it at the bottom. Okay? So for tomorrow kuya, we will have an intense practice sa subtraction ha. We are not going to move our lesson if hindi mo makuha ang subtraction. I want a process na ganito. Okay? So from time to time, you can have your mental calculation, but you need to have a practice with this one, all of this one. Tapos, we have also a training of writing the, the letters. Kuya, you need to adjust your, handwriting. Make sure mo kuya, that if you erase, automatically kuya, the checker can understand that you erase that number. Kasi for example, you do that one, you erase that one, and you put 9. So what's the checker? Ano yung makita ng checker? Is it 9? Is it 8? Is it wrong? So ibig sabihin, if you do that one, and if it is wrong, automatically, you cross it out, you create another number.
But like when I'm doing like this ba?
That's good now.
Like 10, something,
Mm.
something.
You do that one always.
No, just something lang.
Tapos,
And then I will do like this. But wrong pala.
tapos you will do this one, oh. Tapos, you do that one always from time to time.
No, I look
Oo.
See.
Ibig sabihin kuya, ang gagawin po natin is we need to enhance your handwriting kuya. So di ba you always start at the bottom, you do this one? You can do this one na start at the bottom, pero you need to make sure na maganda ang handwriting ha. I will allow you to start at the bottom, pero make sure na maganda. So for example, sa 5, you do this one, oh.
No.
Wow, ginapagandaan mo na kayo gina-scrutiny ka ni teacher. This one, you can start at the bottom, pero you need to make sure kuya na maganda. You do this one, oh. 5. Tapos ang 6 mo ganyan, oh. What is this? Is this 6? Buntis na 6? Pregnant na 6? You do this one. Oh. You make sure mo na the belly of the 6 is small, hindi na pregnant. The belly of your 6 is this one.
Like tatay.
Like tatay. Tapos, your 9 kuya, it looks like G. You do this one from time to time.
No, I do like this. Oh.
Tapos your 4 kuya, if you draw the 4, you do that one. What is this? If you draw the 4, you do that one. You need to be clear kuya that is the 4 ha. Ako nagawa niyan. This one, your 5. Tapos your 3. Your 6 kuya, para siyang pregnant. It should be maganda. Tapos this one, your solution, prevent ka from, how do you say this one? From removing your final answer. For example, you do this one. 6. If you erase 1 gani kuya, you do that one. You have to create another 1 in here sa side. Ikaw, i-erase man ito, you put that 1. Tapos wala itong 1. So the checker will see kuya that you only put 6. So, this one, your 7, okay, ang 7 mo, your 1 is okay. Your 5, you need to practice writing your 5 na maganda. Your 9, you need to practice also. Tapos, your 8. Your 8 is this one, parang you do that one, the 8. Your 8 is wiggling kuya to the other side. It should be straight. You do that one, straight.
Natulog naman.
Natulog ang 8 mo. It should be, the circle at the top is the same size kuya, the circle at the bottom. Okay, para ma-understand ng checker. You do that one.
Why they cannot be same size?